physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together, we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
We got a humble opinion. Today, we're going to talk about joyful joints, Brad. This is a part of a series.
Right.
And today, we're going to refer to the hip joint. A lot of people have pain in the hip joint. We're going to try to help you with it. If you want to keep a joint happy, number one, you don't keep it in the wrong position for a long period of time.
Right.
And that can be sitting. If you sit all day long, you're going to want to do these two things to help alleviate maybe the pain and discomfort.
Absolutely. This is great to help minimize the risk for arthritis or keep it at bay if you do already have it.
Yeah, if you have painful joints, they like movement and they like stretching. So we're going to show both, Brad. Do you want to show first the hip external rotation? Very simple to do.
Right. This is one you can do every day when you put your shoes or socks on in a chair. You're going to cross over like this. And if you got tight hips, this can be already challenging. We want to maintain that. So bring it up to here and gently push down on the knee right here. And you can do a pressure on, pressure off, about 5 reps or so. And do that on both legs as a maintenance thing. You're going to find a big difference. It just feels good.
It does.
And
what about if you have a dress on?
if you have a dress, well, then you're going to have to not
Do it in
it
private.
In private, there you go.
All right. The other one that is really a good stretch to do, and you really can't do this with a dress either too easily.
Right.
Is actually, we can do this in the privacy of your own home. Get a pillow.
Yep.
And I'm going to go ahead and stretch. I'm going to get down and I'm stretching this leg right here. This hip.
Right.
I'm going to do the hip flexor stretch. So I'm going to lean forward like this. Oh, this feels good, Brad.
Yeah. If you're, like Bob said, if you have a job where you sit a lot or you just sit a lot.
This muscle tightens up.
Yes, that hip flexor muscle. And look at Bob is up and down with his trunk, and the femur is like this, and that is where you get that stretch. You're going to hold that 15 to 30 seconds or lean forward and back, pressure on, pressure off 10 times, and your joints, your hip joints are going to really
they're going to embrace you.
Do you ever think about a hip joint and hippopotamus, if there's relationship? With how those names came up?
That's a good question.
There
Let's
you
look
go.
at the Latin derivative of it.
That's right. That's just something I would
all
think
right.
about.
Remember, have a good day or whatever.
Be careful.